Okay, our listing at the moment comes from the historic town of Salobrena. There's the old town, which is above us and to the left, and here we're kind of at ground level in the town, which is an easy 2-3 minute walk into all the shops, supermarkets, bars and restaurants, and is literally just a 20-minute walk down to the beach. As you can see, we've got lots of green spaces around us, and we've got nice views in the distance of the mountains. And here we're at this 2-bedroom apartment, which has its own private terrace, as you can see, with enough storage at the end there and space outside for tables and chairs. There's a blind which pulls completely over the top for shade, and even blinds that roll down to completely enclose this in should you wish. Okay, good storage as we mentioned at the end here. There is double cupboards here for storage for cleaning materials, and tucked away in the corner here, plumbed in on the outside, is automatic washing machine. Okay, let's take you inside. Double glazed throughout. This apartment is on the 3rd floor of this building, and the lift to the apartment, as I'll show you in a second, is right outside the door. Nice apartment. It's just been completely decorated throughout. The client of ours who was here before, sadly no longer with us, needed his apartment and was fond of coloured walls, but the family have kindly agreed to have it all painted nice and white and neutral, which actually contrasts really nice with the brick fireplace with the wood mantle, which obviously sits alongside the nice wood. Storage cupboards above and below, and this great tongue and grooved ceiling all the way through, which actually matches the original door, and the wood cabinetry in the kitchen. The kitchen is open into the lounge and has granite worktops, as you can see, dual stainless sink even, it's getting late in the day, electric hob with extractor above, and there is an integral oven built into the unit at this side, alongside the good fridge freezer cabinetry, wall mounted along with the base units. And here we serve directly into the living space, and of course the wonderful terrace. So it's all been thoroughly painted throughout in a nice neutral white. The air conditioning unit up there sits in the lounge area. The kitchen, neutral grey and black granite worktops alongside the lovely tiles, which are nice and clean throughout, and there is a skylight above the kitchen, actually bringing in natural light too. Off this living area we have 2 double bedrooms and a bathroom. The first bedroom is to our right, which, as you can see, has a double bed in there. Laminate flooring throughout the apartment, and again all neutral and white, all newly painted with the double glazed Georgian style windows with the UPVC frames around the glass, giving it a little bit more style than normal. And there are the roller shutter blinds that come down in each one, so that in summertime you can have windows open and air coming through. And as you can see, not only are they double glazed, there is a double set too, so gives great protection in the winter time, not that it gets particularly cold here, but also in the summertime it does actually protect completely against the heat too. And then, like we say, we have got the roller shutters down on the windows too, should we want to leave the windows wide open in summer and let some air through. So the first bedroom, good sized double room, bedside cabinets and lamps. The bathroom sits in the middle. Apologies for the noise of the extractor fan, but we do have a full bath with a shower over it. The bathroom is all nicely tiled and in good condition, and we have a nice vanity unit with sink and good sized mirror, and of course loo and bidet. Bedroom number 2 is also a double and has the timber work on the walls, and now the ceilings and the walls are all nice and bright and white. It actually contrasts very nicely. The room would very easily take a double bed, but as you can see, it's been set out as a part-time office, and there is a large, quite sturdy wooden built single bed here, and the drawer underneath allows a second mattress to be pulled out if you have 2 guests staying and you require both. On this side, built-in storage once again. Great gentleman's, as the owner was a gentleman, gentleman's wardrobe with plenty of drawers for clothing on one side, and as we slide the doors across, beg your pardon, plenty of built-in storage here for hanging on the other side too. So although it isn't the largest apartment in the world, it's in a fantastic location here in Salobrena. It offers 2 good sized bedrooms, would house parents and 2 children, or a couple and guests very easily. You've got a nice fully tiled bathroom with full bath and shower, a nice compact kitchen that has everything that you need: oven, hob, sink, dishwasher. We certainly don't want to be washing the plates on holidays here. And we've got this nice lounge area, and of course for the majority of the time that we're in Salobrena, as we're here on the coast of the Costa Tropicala, beg your pardon, this is actually our main dining room. Again, all newly painted all throughout, all the exterior walls. This will completely enclose with the roll down blinds if you wanted it to, so you could actually sit out here should we get any rain, or completely shade yourself from the sun. Okay, new to the market this week, storage outside, storage in the bedrooms inside, nice and compact. The lift, as I promised to show you, is right outside the main door. Telecommunications to the main door to let guests in when you have visitors. And here, right outside the door, is the lift. I'll take the lift now once I've shown you the inside, and this lift will actually take us down to a full garage which is included in the property, and an individual garage and a storeroom which I'll show you now. Okay, just before we show you the garage, this is the pedestrian entrance into the building here. As you can see, there are a small series of steps, but there is also access for people with less movement ability via this fantastic ramp, electric ramp, which gives wheelchair access to the entrance hallway where there are post box. And then just along here, it's literally just 3 or 4 meters to the lift itself where we just come down. Okay, the other thing that comes with this property, you'll have to excuse me, I'll probably have to put lights on as we go around because they're on timers. There we go. Okay, this is an area of storage lockers, and this one, number 4, comes with the property. So as you can see, it's got light in the room, it's all nicely tiled. and this is a great storage place for skis, bikes, diving equipment, windsurfers, anything that you might need in this area. So this is a separate lockable storeroom in addition to the garage. Okay, this is the wide entrance to the car park down from the street, and it comes into a series of individual garages, all with their own doors, and to match our lockable storage room, garage number 5 is here, and this is ours, which is number 4 next to. So as you can see, it's a single car garage. There is enough room certainly for a small family car in here. There's good height under the door. There is light and power in here, and of course this would also be great for keeping motorcycles, bikes, and anything else that you might want for life here on the coast. Okay, all part of this amazing Salobrena 2-bedroom apartment. I look forward to showing you it in person.